delivery. We got a special delivery.
Who's it for?
I think it's for Teddy.
Teddy. What's it? This box here?
Oh, it's a big box.
2 boxes. Oh.
Sure.
Yeah, we'll take them.
Yeah.
You can just throw them in here. That's fine. Boy, you better get to the gym.
Oh, bitch. Walk. Look at you getting him to work.
Oh, thanks for the blower, man.
I wonder what this could be.
Appreciate it.
What does that say?
It says
Damn, get a new camera. It won't even. Bro, what is this for horsepower? Oh, let me move the truck, man.
What is going on, everyone, and welcome back to DerekBaranProductions for another video. And I do want to welcome you back to episode 3 of Boosting Lucifer. And from the title and thumbnail of this video, this is going to be probably one of the most exciting, I don't want to say the most, but one of the most exciting videos on this topic, because as you saw in the beginning, we had a special delivery for Teddy by Teddy himself. He finally has received his Paxton Novi 2200 SL complete kit, intercooler, piping, head unit, the whole shebang, and we are gonna just bring you a pretty raw video today, just unbox it, because we want to make this series kind of a series to where you can relate. I don't want to do any heavy editing or anything, because I know when it goes to supercharging cars, it's definitely a big deal, and people tend to just do their research before it happens. So these videos are going to be pretty cut and dry, but it's going to be very informative, and we're going to show you exactly what to expect when you buy a kit from Paxton, Vortech, what have you. And like I said, the whole 9 yards as to the whole installation process from the naturally aspirated to boosted and tuned. So let's jump into this. So you got yourself some boxes here, man.
Yes, sir.
How you feeling right now?
Ready to go. Ready to get this thing right
Finally
back on the road.
Here. Finally here, man.
Ready to get moving.
This is like deja vu for me though, man, because when I bought my Vortech, this is the same box it came in. Oh, God. Hold up, hold up. It's like Christmas morning for Teddy right now.
Yeah, right? Yeah, maybe. Okay.
So, one of the 2 boxes you open is going to be your nice, meaty intercooler.
What is this, a 3-inch intercooler?
Oh, dude. They sent a Vortech intercooler.
Oh, no.
You're not official anymore.
No.
It's not a Paxton kit.
It's made by Vortech. It's the same.
Oh, you're beat. So fun fact for you, Vortech actually makes Paxton. They are a company together, and when you go and order a supercharger, you can literally talk to the same people and be like, I want a Paxton or I want a Vortech. The Paxton blowers are bigger though, aren't they?
Yeah.
Like the head units themselves. The little stencil, that's pretty cool actually. You could just do like V for vag. That's about it.
Right here we got the, I think it's a 3.5 to 4-inch air-to-air intercooler.
Oh my God, dude.
They really take care of you.
D for Dick, D for Derek, D for Dirk, and D for damn. I found something. Here, you pull it out. Oh, that's your favorite part.
Oh, this is, oh, we don't need this. This goes with the head unit. It's basically an intake for it.
But he has the turbo guard right here, which I'm sure many of you have seen. Very, very nice quality. And it goes plop right over onto the blower head. And yeah, it's just kind of like a little screen thing. And you get the maximum amount of boost with that.
It tells you literally every single step, everything you have. I mean, even to the tools that you'll need. I mean, they do everything except put it on for you. So, I mean, couldn't ask for a better kit.
Oh, there's something right here. Oh, I'm gonna go ahead and just take dibs on this. Oh, this is mine, dude. This thing says large, dude. I would say put it on, but this isn't a sponsored video, so
Yeah,
Paxton.
you're not that good at editing, so I would say do this and then just.
I'm gonna think clamps and
Oh,
stuff.
this is oil.
Oh, yeah, that's right. It's a self-contained blower, which is nice. You're gonna love that, by the way. You don't have to tap the oil pan or anything.
Oh, it's the filter for the intake. What is this? This is a pulley. This is, I think, the 3/6 pulley.
Yeah, the 3/8 probably gonna be installed on the blower.
Yeah, just we're gonna install the 3/8 just to, I mean, get everything tuned, get everything like looking good, and then once one goes okay to pulley down, definitely gonna pulley down. Supercharger oil. Definitely gonna need this since it's self-lubricated. It's not the older Paxton where it's not the HD where you have to tap into the oil pan, which is nice. But I think the HD makes more power. It's like 750 and plus. So more of the cars for like bracket racing and everything, but this is just gonna be a fast or a quick street car. This is all the mounting bracket and I think hardware. Oh my god,
we can't get away from it. There she is. Damn, that's a bracket if you ask me. Holy.
This is hefty. But yeah, as you can tell, stainless steel, pretty good quality. This will go on the front of the Coyote right next to the boys.
Yeah, so it's gonna go right to the left here, right?
Yep. It'll go
Right there.
Right here. Might be upside down, but like I said, I mean, this is just gonna show, I mean, everything we got. This is the max flow blow-up valve that I got. Make more a little
It's
bit.
gonna sound so good, dude.
More whistling noises. I had to do that because, I mean, as you know, my car is pretty loud. It's pretty obnoxious. So I wanted the
Might as well
blow-off to go with it.
Yeah.
This is the engine cooling system and everything. It comes with another coolant reservoir. I'll take it out in a sec. They move it from the stock assembly over here, and you completely take off the stock assembly. It's pretty nice. It gets, because you need a lot more room in the front of the like in the front of the motor, because the blower and everything goes right there. It's not like the Pro Charger where it sits on the side. It just sits right in front of the motor, and I mean, to be honest, to me, it looks better. You open the hood and it's just right there, sitting there. You know, you get those kids at the car meet are like, oh, dude, that's a big turbo and everything. Like,
It's too funny. When I first met Orby, he was like, this is years ago, and he had a Vortech, and you know, he was just talking crap to me because I had a naturally aspirated 2-valve, and he was like, dude, my turbo's bigger. I got a turbo. My car's turboed. Little did he know he had a supercharger this whole time. So if you guys know Orby, clown him.
nice and black, how we like it. But yeah, as you still, I mean, it's really nice quality. I mean, you can't like scratch it up. Obviously, you can't really tell how much is in there, but I mean, you can tell from the top.
Yeah.
But I mean, either way, I mean, it comes with everything, all the hoses, piping, brackets, I mean, everything you need for the swap. Definitely a really nice kit.
That's gonna be all the piping. Has to be, right?
I definitely think so.
I think piping's the last on our list.
Yep, so this is all the intercooler couplers and everything. Of course, charge pipe couplers, all the brackets, all the. Definitely won't be using these going to T-bolt clamps because I mean they just
Much better.
are better. You don't want your couplers to fall off and everything. You don't want to hurt the motor. You don't want to. I mean, have a boost leak or anything. It just sucks.
Yeah.
And especially trying to find it. More couplers than there is piping, but like the intercooler piping. This, I'll open it up real quick. It's silver. They really wrap their stuff good, so just in case, you know, FedEx doesn't do their job and throws their kit around, your kit is safe. But yeah, nice. I'll probably get this painted later on. I think it'll go nice with the welds I got and everything. So,
Well, here it goes, man.
let's go open it up right here. Moment of truth. Ooh, look at that. It's packaged. It's elite. Sheesh. This is a big boy. God. Just look at that.
Yeah.
Sheesh. But like I said, I did the satin raw finish. Looks really good. Definitely do its job. It's definitely huge.
That's definitely bigger than my V3.
It's bigger than my head. But yeah, I mean, this is everything you get with the whole kit. This thing, I'm just ready to put this thing on, man.
Oh yeah.
Ready to get it ripping. Man, this is like my baby right here.
I mean, you gotta open it. You gotta take it out of the wrapper.
Scratch. Oh, we don't need that. But yeah, look at that bad boy.
Jeez.
I think it's.
That is big.
You ready?
Sheesh, it's gonna be sweet. Oh, whoa. VMP, if you're watching this unboxing of this Paxton right now, I just want to let you know, he is on a Gen 2, but if we do lose, I'm expecting an illuminator motor sent to me. I'm stoked for you though, that's so sick. I remember when I first opened mine for the 2-valve, it was so surreal. Look at that thing. She's nice. Size comparison from my hand. It's definitely meaty.
It's beef.
It really is.
Oh, hello? Hello?
I definitely think we're missing one thing in the box. Hold on, let me grab it for you.
Hello? Are we in Texas yet, motherfucker?
So as you can see, we have the whole entire Paxton 2200 SL kit. We got the brackets, the intake, we got the serpentine belt, we got a nice little shirt. That thing is actually really nice. The manual, the coolant reservoir. Damn, I can't talk for shit, dude. We got the 3.5 to 4 inch intercooler. We got the head unit, the nice beefy head unit. Right here we have like all the intercooler couplers, the piping, everything. And then right here we have the reservoir, all the hoses, everything that we need. Yeah, I mean, honestly, this kit looks amazing, got boxed up amazing. I think it was just definitely needed. I like the 2200 SL kit because one of our good buddies, Cody Ingo, he ran this kit for a minute, and it just sounded insane. Like, I mean, if I had a video, I'd show you. It just sounded obnoxious. He was one of the first people to have it around town, and it sounded like an airplane going down the road. I've always wanted one, and now the fact that I do have one, I'm excited for it. I'm ready to get it back on, like, get it on the car, get it whistling, distling, making all the good noises, making all the good power, ready for London to tune this thing, ready to make it rip. But I mean, yeah, I mean, there's not much more to this kit. We got all the parts laid out, ready to go. Let me take this cup off. You weren't fast enough.
What right there?
Oh, dude, this is
Sponsored, man.
this is Derek's new what's it called?
Yo, we need to send him back to summer school,
Hey,
bro.
right, man. English class 101, you feel me? Oh, beat me up.
I know. Real question is though, Raymond, where's yours at?
Hey, man, it's in the Woodworks.
Here, man, I'll donate.
Just stay tuned. It's about to get crazy. We got a lot of options on the board, actually.
Listen.
We got
I'll donate, you know, because he needs to donate.
man, the peasants, man.
You know what really?
Have y'all seen this man's dresses? Like everything he wears, like in all of Derek's videos, they're all out there. Like one day he'll look like a complete hobo. The next day he'll show up wearing Yeezys, like have the Yeezys in the trunk. This man just...
It's called being humble. Always be humble, fellas out there, man. And shorties, man. Gotta stay humble out here, man.
He has no girls that watch this. He has like a 0.2%.
Hey, Ramin, I know you watching this video right now. Hit that like button.
Ramina and Haley, hey.
Well, there you have it, guys. Teddy's 2200 SL Paxton Novi kit. Super exciting, and I'm ready to see this thing up and going.
Probably need to hit a little shout out to Vortech. Probably, yes. No.
Yeah, I don't care. Just say thanks to Vortech.
I also wanted to say thanks to Vortech for sponsoring the car.
I don't got a garage here, man.
I kicked Bluetooth out too. But we got a little something cooking up in here. We got some big things coming for this car, I'll tell you what. But the day is finally here, guys. Sorry, it's blue. There we go. Yes, these are recalled, so I don't want to see the comments. We know, but we got the trans down there just chilling. And over here on the table, you know, we got our beautiful twin disc. Ran into a super simple mix-up. It's not even worth stating. It's taken care of. It's all good. But hopefully this will be back tomorrow. I got a lot of miles to put on this thing beforehand. But you're liking yours, aren't you?
Oh, dude, I'm loving it.
You got the same clutch in your car.
Same clutch. Feels amazing. It's ready to hold all this power.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, man. I'm thinking about actually selling my McLeod and going ahead and might make that transfer over myself, man.
Oh,
so,
shoot.
We'll see, man. I'm getting prepared. Baby steps.
He needs to just send it.
Oh, we gonna send it, trust. We might pop her.
You like what?
We might pop that Gen 1. So that's all I'm saying. We might have a whole glass window in the side of the block. I gotta beat him.
Like I said, we're gonna make it conservative, but try and make some power out of it. Like I said, we're gonna throw the 3.8 on, get it nice tuned, nice dressed up, nice ready for it. Until Lund tells me, you know, like either you can or you can't, you know, what's better for you. Not trying to blow this motor up, especially on 93. Definitely you're gonna try and get a fuel system in before Mustang week. I know somebody got something in the works. You know, I heard Derek, you know, he got scared that, you know, Teddy's getting some
Oh,
food,
chill.
So he needs some power.
I'm gonna put the 93. I'll race you. When we race though, I'll put it on 93 just to see how it does. Both of them. I'm going to.
Dude, I run 87, dude.
It's so rare. Hey, that explains a lot with him though, for real.
Just playing.
No, he's not. That Kroger 87 be hitting different, bro.
7-Eleven, man. Don't upgrade me like that.
Raymond, have you ever ran Wawa gas? Be honest.
No, not in the Mustang.
Never.
They didn't even sell 93 until like a year ago or something like that.
Okay. Just
I'm a 6-year vet. I ain't like y'all boys.
So you get Wawa 93?
Nah, man. I don't get Wawa 93.
Raymond, look at me, bro.
I said they didn't have 93 until
Raymond.
You would know.
I've never used Wawa.
You're telling me you never had a late night? You're just on the way home. You need to get some gas. You
I've
never
parked
stopped
my car
at.
with I've parked my car with 0 miles to E before I was
I see this. I don't know if I believe that.
I don't know. There's not many late nights in the Mustang. I got the Accord Keezy.
That be living at Wawa.
You know what I'm saying? That lives in the Wawa in the Accord. I don't care. I throw damn Everclear in that thing.
Throw fucking water in it and run it. But with that being said, guys, we will catch you in the next one. Again, subscribe, drop a like, drop a damn like. Just drop a like, man. We're getting everybody out here boosted, and y'all are slacking on the likes. It's ridiculous. But until next time, we'll see you later.